Hello my dear friends, it's Foxy, welcome back to my channel, and today we're gonna be doing full face of Flowerknows makeup spring edition. Just look at how beautiful these colors are. I mean, it's perfect for spring. So if you're interested, let's get into it. I'm gonna start with the eyes today because my face makeup will not be super intense. As a base for my eye makeup, I'm gonna be using Flowerknows blush. It's liquid blush from Strawberry Cupid collection, the newest one. And this one in shade 04 Apple Glow. This blush is pretty much pigmented. I'm adding a little bit to the bottom lid and I blend it with a concealer brush. Let's move to the powder eyeshadows. And this is Flowerknows Strawberry Cupid collection makeup palette in a shade SO2 Cupid's Mischief. Flowerknows packaging is always on top. It's a work of art. I'm going to apply this shade. Their products always super pigmented. Now I'm going to apply the same shade but on my bottom lid, on the outer corner, on my lash line. The same shade goes on the outer corner of my top lid. Now I'm taking this pink shade. The shimmer on this one, on this shade, is super gentle and beautiful. Now I'm going to apply this, the lightest shade in the palette, to my inner corner. And for my bottom lid, I want to use another palette called Flowerknows Midsummer Fairy Tales Collection Embossed 5-color makeup palette in shade 03 Fair Melody. How pretty is this? This green shade, it goes on the bottom lid. And I'm going to take this shimmer green and I put it on the waterline, on the bottom waterline, because I want my green lenses, I want them to stand out more. I want to highlight this beautiful green color. And this shimmer is really so interesting because I think it's on transparent base and the shimmer itself is green. It's beautiful, like grass green color. It shines literally only when the light touches this color, touches this shimmer. It's really so beautiful. And I'm gonna take this golden shade. It's beautiful. Next in the line is Flowerknows Butterfly Cloud Color Collection Liquid Eyeliner in shade Tea Brown. I will never stop mentioning how beautiful Flowerknows packaging is. It's a brown shade. So as you can see, I added the eyeliner on the outer corner, on my waterline as well, on the outer corner and inner corner, but I didn't touch the center. Now let's add a little bit of a cream blush, Little Angel Collection 3 Paradise Poet. It's a beautiful coral cream blush. The puff I'm using is Flowerknows as well. This is like beauty blender slash puff because this is a texture of a beauty blender but in a form of puff. If it makes sense, I really hope it does. I'm going in with Swan Ballet Series Embossed Blush in a shade 03 Silky Ribbon. This one is a powder blush and it's such a beautiful pink shade. I want to add a little bit of concealer under my eyes, but I just realized I don't have any concealer, mascara and eyebrow products from Flowerknows. I'm going to be using different products for this purpose, and for my concealer I'm going to be using MAC Light Studio Fix Conceal and Correct palette. I'm going in with this shade. For eyebrows, I'm gonna be using How to Be a Redhead Finally Have Brows Universal Red Eyebrow Gel. I only apply it on the outer corner, on the tail. Now I'm going in with a powder. I'm gonna be using Flowerknows Strawberry Cupid collection as well. This is a pressed powder and this one is in the shade 02 Ivory Beige. Let's add the highlighter. I'm using Flowerknows Midsummer Fairy Tales collection highlighter. It's a liquid one. This is in the shade 01 Moonlight Swing. It's gorgeous. Excuse me, but the pigment a little bit under eyebrow, on the eyebrow bone, and on my nose. So let's finish the eyes. I'm gonna be using mascara from Wonderskin, brown one. I only put mascara on the outer corner of bottom lashes. And finally, lips. I'm going to use V08 Cranberry Strawberry Cupid Cake Lip Cream. Then I'm going in with Sweetheart Flowerknows Swan Ballet Shine Lipstick. So it creates like a slight gradient. And I'm going to finish my lip makeup with this lip gloss, Flowerknows Strawberry Rococo Serious Glowy Lip Gloss in the shade GO2 Raspberry Booze. Not gonna lie, at first I thought that the color will be the same as the packaging here. I thought this is the color of the lip gloss, and I truly love this type of colors for lip glosses, but it looks like this. I love these coral shades too, but I'd really love to see the same packaging with this exact color. But yeah, this is what this makeup looks like, and let's reveal my hairstyle. So this is our look for today. This is the final look. I really hope you like it as much as I do. So yeah, you as always have a wonderful day and take care of yourself. See you later. With love, your Foxy. Bye bye.